Hello and welcome. Indian cuisine is known for its rich and diverse flavors, vibrant colors, and varied cooking techniques. Let's take a look at some key aspects that set Indian cuisine apart from others. 1. Spice and flavor. Indian cuisine is famous for its robust use of spices, which are combined in intricate blends known as masalas. The use of spices such as turmeric, cumin, coriander, cardamom, cloves, and many others gives Indian dishes their distinct and complex flavors. 2. Regional diversity. India is a vast country with diverse culinary traditions. Each region in India has its own unique style of cooking, ingredients, and flavors. From the fiery curries of the south to the creamy dishes of the north, the cuisine varies greatly from one region to another. 3. Vegetarianism. Indian cuisine offers a wide range of vegetarian and vegan dishes, making it a paradise for plant-based eaters. Many Indian recipes are based on lentils, legumes, vegetables, and grains, resulting in a plethora of flavorful and nutritious vegetarian options. 4. Tandoori cooking. Tandoori cooking is a traditional method of cooking in India that involves marinating meat, poultry, or vegetables in a mixture of yogurt and spices and then cooking them in a clay oven called a tandoor. This cooking technique imparts a smoky and charred flavor to the food, giving it a unique taste. 5. Street food culture. India has a vibrant street food culture, with countless stalls and vendors offering a wide range of delicious snacks and quick bites. Popular street foods like samosas, chaat, vada pav, and dosas showcase the bold flavors and innovative combinations that make Indian street food a culinary delight. 6. Use of lentils and legumes. Lentils and legumes, such as chickpeas, black lentils, and yellow split peas, are extensively used in Indian cooking. They are cooked into various dals, lentil soups, and are an excellent source of protein and dietary fiber. 7. Bread varieties. Indian cuisine offers a diverse range of bread, including naan, roti, paratha, and puri. These breads are often made with wheat flour or other grains and can be plain or stuffed with various fillings like potato, paneer, Indian cheese, or minced meat. 8. Desserts and sweets. Indian desserts are known for their indulgent and sweet flavors. Traditional sweets like gulab jamun, deep-fried milk dumplings soaked in sugar syrup, jalebi, deep-fried pretzel-shaped sweet, and kheer, rice pudding, are just a few examples of the delightful desserts in Indian cuisine. These aspects, along with the use of aromatic herbs, diverse cooking methods, and the importance of food in Indian culture, contribute to the uniqueness and popularity of Indian cuisine. Until next time.